right? That was a really great start to the video. Got it. Hello guys, what up? Okay, so I am just doing a new video. I got caught up earlier this week and couldn't post it Monday, so I wanted to make sure I still got one in for the week for you guys. I got you. So this one is a summer tutorial. You know, we're kind of leaving the winter, coming into summer. Chill, Grace. Get it? Chill. So this is just a video of my summer look. It's good for blue eyes. It brings out the blue tones, green eyes, green tones, gold, and oranges really benefit all colors of eyes. So I got you, girl. It's just a gold and orange kind of makeup look, and then I threw on a reddish strawberry colored lipstick with it. So if you like this look and you want to wear it for summer, just continue watching. Thanks. All right, hi. So first we're gonna start out with the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is absolutely gorgeous. If you don't have it, you really need to get it. It comes with 35 dream colors. So I just usually like to start out with a concealer to put over my eyes to kind of like make the colors, you know, bright. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I use it in the lightest one, Fair. I'm 99.9% sure that's the lightest one. And so I just put that there, and then we're gonna blend it out. I need to remember to look at the camera, not at myself. Very difficult for me. I'm just using this brush that I got in a Sephora pack of brushes. It's called a Dome Crease. I need my eyebrows done. Once that is all blended in and ready, you can use any dome-shaped fluffy brush, but I prefer the, well, the one I'm using right now is the MAC 224 SH, and it's just a fluffy one. I've used it in my last video. So, starting with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna take this lightest color right here and just swirl it, tap off the excess, and then it's kind of like a shimmery champagne-y white color. So just put that on both the eyes. This palette is seriously amazing because it's perfect if you like neutral, but then there's some pops of color in there if you ever feeling frisky and want to try something new. But next, I'm just gonna go in with this color. It's like, actually we're not. We're gonna go in with this. It's kind of like an orangey color. Perfect for summer, right? Am I right? The sun, orange, yellow, orange. Is the sun orange or yellow? It looks orange, but whenever I was little, I always painted it yellow. Okay, so just really lightly in the crease there. And if you have blue eyes, this is gonna especially make them pop, blues and greens and grays and stuff. And it's gonna bring out the blue. And if you have brown eyes or like hazel eyes, it's gonna bring out the like lighter gold flecks, or if you have the hazel, the green flecks. I'm just doing another coat of that. You always want to start out with little bits and then add more as you go, or else it can look not blended or chunky. What is going on here? I got some runaways. Okay, after you have done the yellow, we are going to go in with the bit darker one, but still keeping it with the orangish tones. That one right there, swirl it. I'm still using the same brush and tap. And I'm just gonna place this a little bit deeper down in the crease. You can't rush the blending. Once that is all blended, we're gonna get a little pop of red in there because you know what? We are adventurous people. Diverse, creative, original. You get the idea. this reddish orangish color, and we're really gonna focus this right here. Okay, blend. Let me know what videos you guys want to see like next, like in the comments, or you know, on my Twitter, if you want like a foundation routine, or I can do eyebrow routine for when I do them, or if you have any special looks that you specifically want me to do, like I'll do anything, y'all. Anything for you guys. Now we are gonna get some sparkle up in the place. Whoa, what is going on? And we are back. Just fell off my chair. Time for the sparkle. So I'm just using this Milan eyeshadow. So it is called Bella Copper, part of the Metallic collection. So I'm actually just gonna, this honestly works best for shimmery eyeshadows, I think. It makes it go on thickest. And I'm also gonna just run that right there. Oh my gosh. So I'm just combing these babies out. Just remember, they do not look exactly the same, and you know what? That is just fine, because eyebrows are sisters. They are not twins. So your eyebrows are never going to be exactly the same, and if they are, you're perfect, and I'm jealous. We're gonna go ahead and put some Stila sparkles on here. Okay, this one is a Glimmer and Glow eyeshadow in Bronzed Belle, so it's kind of matching the gold we used a little bit. It's got a little bit more champagne-y, so I'm just gonna focus that right there in the center. So then I'm just gonna kind of tap it around. Whenever you put like a highlight or a light color or a shimmer in the center of your eye, it makes your eyes look bigger. It's like an illusion. It's like yoga pants for your eyes. So I'm just gonna add like a little bit of a gold highlighter to kind of match what's going on with the eyes. You'll find I use my fingers a lot because, well, fingers are cheaper than brushes. You're born with them. It's like a gift from God. So I'm gonna use my gift to my best of my abilities and to save me some money. Thank you, Jesus. And then also just above your lip to highlight your Cupid's bow. Ooh, look at that, look at that. I'm also just gonna take a little bit and put it there. Okay, so once you got that on, you are looking fine, girl. Ooh. Finishing touches. Oh, I'm gonna get the mascara real quick, okay. Oh, jeez. Oh my, look what I just did. I need to meditate. I need meditate or medication or medical help, something med. Yeah. So once you got your mascara on, I just went ahead and went off camera and put that on real quick. You can now put on some lippy stick, gloss, whatever you prefer. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with Strawberry Melted. Alright, so once you have your lipstick on, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It seriously means so much. Be sure to subscribe, follow my Instagram, and follow my Twitter for the whole YouTube thing, and that is Grace Ellen Glam. So thanks, guys, so much.